Yeah, he needs to do the last one though, right? Or
We'll
you're-
see in a couple minutes. That's fine.
Ready when you guys are.
Buffalo, America's 10th most violent city, 8th most vacant city, 6th most centigrated city. Buffalo future garbage. Come in.
Hello, Mayor. It's me, Maya, Buffalo's urban planner. Have you read over my plan for solving Buffalo's garbage problem yet?
Yes, this plan won't work. There's nothing that can be done to Buffalo's problem. The plan is garbage. The future of Buffalo is garbage.
You should accept that plan.
Who are you?
I'm Damar. I'm a mechatronic engineer from Phoenix City, the future Buffalo in the year 2116.
A mecca what? Buffalo plan is garbage. Buffalo future is garbage.
I'm a mechatronic engineer. We meld solutions from different types of engineering to create substantial mechanical solutions.
Hey, if there could be something done about Buffalo, don't you think I'd do it?
Look, Mayor, the way your city collects waste in the year 2016 is wrong. Using dump trucks that are energy intensive, your sorting processes are inefficient. Most of your waste ends up in landfill. This is not right at all. No, no, no.
Let me guess. You know a better way to do it.
I wouldn't have made the trip if I didn't. Your system needs the 4 R's.
The 4 R's.
Yes, the 4 R's.
I got this, Damon. Mayor, the 4 R's are reduce, recycle, rot, and reuse.
In the future, we enact these 4 R's and have made a better Buffalo. Let's go to the future.
What about them?
They can come too.
Wow. Wow.
This is right out of my notebook. My plans. The residential zones are in the center, featuring single-family homes, schools, and apartment buildings.
Is that a farm?
Yes, vertical and urban farms. They provide free food for citizens so no one goes hungry.
Wow. The future is so different. But how do people get around? There's no cars.
Zero-emission tubes with small vehicles transport citizens all over the city. They are shared among the citizens, kind of like an Uber.
The transportation engineers maintain it.
Wow. So what's that right there?
The waste processing center, right?
Right. Robots sort the waste using magnets, cameras, and garbage getting technology. The waste is divided into different streams like metal, paper, rubber, organic waste, and non-recyclable materials. After the waste is divided, they're used for different purposes. Organic waste is vermine composting.
Vermont what?
Vermiculture. It's a process that uses earthworms to rot organic waste and turn it into fertilizer, which is used for farming. Worms eat the waste and turn it into vermicast.
Vermicast. What's that?
Black gold worm poop.
Oh, of course. My bad. And tell me, just how violence, vacancy, and segregation can be solved by some little worm poop.
Well,
I got this, Mr. Damon. Mayor, violence ends because everybody has a job, mostly in solid waste management. The worm poop or the black gold is valuable. It's sold at a profit for the city. We import rot from other cities too. It's a whole new industry.
So what about vacancy?
well, vacancy is solved by reusing vacant industrial buildings and vacant grain elevators.
Okay.
Oh, and the city is made out of eco bricks.
Eco bricks. What's that?
Materials that can't be recycled are reused and turned into eco bricks. Basically, a bottle stuff of non-biological waste.
Okay, I get it. I get it. But come on. Segregation? How do you solve that? Wait. What is all that commotion? I can't think with all that noise. Wait, is that Main Street?
Well, it was.
Main Street used to segregate the city. I propose naming it Unity Boulevard. We can use black gold made right here in the city to create community gardens and make it look amazing. I want to hold all Buffalo's parades and cultural festivals, but Mr. Damon, what are they celebrating today?
Oh, a parade. The Bills won the Super Bowl, 8th time in a row.
The Bills winning? No. No, I know you're crazy. I've seen enough. This plan right here, this plan could really happen.
With my plans.
And my technology, you have to act now, Mayor.
So, when the Bills winning like this, what time do we have to waste? We gotta go back to the past.
Wait, we have a problem, Mayor.
What's the problem?
The time machine is broken.
Broken? What you mean broken? I gotta go back to 2016.
Uh-oh.
Wait, oh, here, Mayor, try this.
I guess. It works. How would you know it worked?
Mayor, don't you understand? Garbage is the key.
Of course. All this time, think garbage was just trash. Never actually understand it. Never actually understand garbage for what it is.
Mayor?
Maya?
Have you read over my plan for solving the garbage problem yet?
Yes, your solution to the garbage problem, the solid waste problem, is brilliant. It's excellent. I love it.
You do?
Yes, we have no crime, no vacancy, no segregation, and yet again, the Bills will win 8 Super Bowls.
I don't know about the Super Bowls, Mayor, but I'm behind you. And Mayor, what's this?
Oh, Maya. Everybody knows, and I mean everybody knows, garbage is the problem in the future.
Go back to sleep, Mayor.
That was great, guys. Good job.
So, do the judges have any questions they would like to ask?
What do you think is the most futuristic solution you have?
Well, I think that the most futuristic solution that we have is the Central Waste Processing Center. Because right now, Buffalo, it's a lot of trash. People litter a lot. And, like, in our Central Waste Processing Center, people get paid to use it. Like, after a lot of eco bricks are made, the citizens get a part of the profit that the Central Waste Processing Center is making. So you're basically getting paid for using the garbage can. So in each building, it's a garbage can. And instead of garbage, like, sitting there, once you put it in the garbage, it gets sucked into a tube. And robots make eco bricks. Because it gets sucked to the tube and it goes to the processing center. And robots make eco bricks, which eco bricks can be made to make buildings.
And another detail that I believe is futuristic is the Main Street, which is what I would like to call, and we would like to call, Unity Boulevard. Because right now, Main Street segregates the city. Main Street is the most segregated line in Buffalo, and I don't believe it's right. So I believe the most futuristic part of this model is Unity Boulevard.
Because right now in Buffalo, it's like divided. It's like Hispanics, Caucasians, African Americans, people different sides, different neighborhoods. And we want people to come together from different races.
Mostly to me, it was like what Maya said, our planner. I agree because it's not right that people, because with their skin color, is segregated in different groups and different kinds. So I feel like we, as people, should bring together and come as one.
Tell us about some of the materials you used.
Well, everything on here is recycled
Materials.
materials. Like basically at UB, the architectures at the end of the year they throw a lot of stuff away. So we took the thing that they were gonna throw away and we made our city out of those things.
In addition, if you can look at our houses. We have solar panels for all houses can run fluently. However, the solar panels are made out of metal, a thick copper metal. So we use that also.
And that metal is also recycled from UB.
What are the bulk of your buildings here? They're like, are they foam or wood or what are they?
Oh, most of them are wood.
That's wood?
Yeah.
But however, as you see, we have foam buildings. Those are the single houses buildings.
Okay.
For just in case you don't want to have a big apartment, but you want to be like by yourself, quiet, peaceful. So you live in a single houses or our Phoenix City village.
And we have some things from a recycled computer. Like the computer was dead and somebody was gonna throw it away, so we took it apart and see what we can use.
Nice.
We got it out of our industrial zone and on our central waste processing center, things out of a computer.
Have you thought about the financial impacts of implementing this plan?
The financial impacts. So what we did, we have a maglev train. Maglev train is actually, it does not touch the floor. It is a train based off of magnet to run 325 miles per hour. What this train does, since we have our black gold processor, it's a natural fertilizer. Because of that, we take some black gold, ship to other cities like New York City, Los Angeles, California. So what we do is we sell the black gold for a very high price. It's a very natural fertilizer, and then we implement that to our city. In addition, it also costs us for our solid waste pound over there. It doesn't cost us a lot because most of our buildings in here is recycled and made out of Eagle bricks, as what we said. So all we did was actually we used our stuff instead of using more money, more equipment, and more buildings.
Like, out of this whole project, we probably spent about $16. That's it, out of the whole thing.
How many people are on your team in total? Just a few?
No, it's all,
In total, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you want to count the
well, about
teachers?
15.
So what was your biggest challenge working together?
Whoa, our biggest challenge is like, cause sometimes people like might bump heads or something like how they want things, but like as a team we have to talk it out and see how we all want it. Like how can it make it better?
So we have to make a compromise, because me and him did bump heads about our residential, but however, as a group, we came to a compromise and discussed about how I wanted, how he wanted. So we came to a compromise and made it into a bigger and better thing.
About how we both wanted, both of our ideas in there.
to
And
make
like,
bigger.
and to some like earlier when we first started our program, to prevent like people bumping heads, we divided into 3 groups: the essay, SimCity, and physical model. And then we gave each people zones. So like how you want your zone is how it's gonna be, and then we all agreed that's how it should be, and we made our city out of that.
Do you have a moving part?
If you could, I don't know if you can see it from right there. Our moving part is our LD strip. LD strip is made of, well, our engineer can tell you more about LED strip than I can, so I'm gonna let him take control of that.
Well, our LED strip, it was like long, but then we had to put our central waste processing center in the middle of the city. So we had to cut it in half, and then we had to solder wires together.
Oh, yeah.
So we soldered them, and then this is charged off a battery charger, which is under our model.
And in addition, it's also charged based off of Arduino chip. I don't know if you know what Arduino chip is. Arduino chip? Arduino chip is actually a chip that's run by itself. It's a programmer. So if you come up and see, our light, it changed like the Peace Bird. It changed color, twinkle without somebody changing it and have to manufacturing do that. So because of that Arduino chip, we can tell the program what to do, how to do it, at what certain time, and how long that color is going to be there.
What function does that have in the structure of your city? Like, what does that mean, having that, like, what does it represent?
The LED strip represents Main Street,
Oh, okay.
And we thought that the colorful colors, and we know that the Peace Bridge is mostly called the Peace Bridge because of the peaceful colors. So we decided adding the LED strip for a more peaceful touch and a more of a unity process.
And bring people together from different races.
Did you consider any other options other than when you settled on your waste processing facility? Were there other options you considered other than that one facility to handle the solid waste?
Well, yeah, we actually had a lot of ideas.
Mhm.
We brainstormed ideas. Everybody on our group brainstormed ideas, and we wrote them down on the board. And then we basically put all those ideas together and made this one idea.
What set that one apart, do you think?
Well,
That from the others that you said, that I'm gonna settle on this one?
because it's easy,
Mhm.
it's easy and you get paid for it. So what's the problem for you not to just put garbage in there if you getting paid for it?
Well, we picked this one mostly certainly because Buffalo really needed it. The rest was, yes, it's a good idea, it's smart. However, Buffalo as a group, as Buffalo in the city, did not needed it as much as they needed this. Buffalo really needed this as of right now to develop and make it better as a whole city. It's better most likely in the future than New York City.
You guys done with your questions? That's fine.
Do you have any questions, sir? Right there? I'm sorry.
No. They're out of time for asking you guys questions.
Our timer.
Well, nice job, nice presentation. Good job.
Thank you.
I didn't get your name.
Is that a downtown Buffalo Bills stadium?
Yeah.
Will it have a retractable roof for the summertime?
Yeah.
Or the warmer weather? That's great.
Eagles, Nations, check out for scholarship.
I'm sorry, sir. I didn't get your name.
Mike Marino.
By Marino? Caleb Jacobs.
Nice to meet you.
Well, I was
Great
trying
job.
to- Our eco break, what it does mostly, so after our cold center, it takes that trash. You may say that. It's, you see how our tube. Okay. So what we do, instead of having a garbage trash like this, instead of just